making a Mauro family bacon and pineapple pan pizza.
Yes! All right, let's get started, shall we? Okay, I got a pan here, which is a cast iron skillet, which I got a homemade dough here. You can find this recipe on foodnetwork.com or the Food Network Kitchen app. And this is kind of more of a high hydration dough. It's got some oil in it. I use corn oil, which is the Chicago secret, to gray crust. Gives it a little, that kind of buttery bite, right, that we love in a pan pizza, okay? So I made it ahead of time, and then I let it proof for 2 hours here directly in the pan. Now, what are our special toppings today, son?
Bacon and very controversial, pineapple.
We got our cheese here, very important. This is sliced right from the deli, mozzarella cheese, right? Now we got the dough in here. All right, let's help me build.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna take some olive oil. I already got a little bit in the pan when we let it proof in there. And then we're gonna take some of this. Why don't you brush it around the perimeter, not on the dough, on the perimeter of the pan.
Okay.
And that's gonna give it some luxuriousness and also help it keep the cheese crust, yes, I said it, from sticking to the end.
Sorry.
There you go. Beautiful. Now we can kind of start forming it, okay? So get your hands in there and just start pushing it to the sides here.
Ooh, that feels weird.
It's dough. It's because it's homemade. It is.
It's cold. It's like
it is. It's like modeling clay. So get up in there, get it up to the sides.
Okay.
Get it in there, both hands.
Okay.
There you go. Now I like to kind of press it down so it's even. Any little air bubbles you see in there, I want you to kind of pinch them so they open up. The air bubbles expand in the oven, and sometimes...
But don't those taste good?
They do taste good, and a little bit is good, but when you see them at this stage, right, it tends to push all the cheese and sauce up and make for an uneven pie here. This is really nice proof dough. That's when you know your dough is active, healthy, alive, and will be delicious. Sauce me up, bro.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go all around like that to the edge. And, you know, a couple spoonfuls, and then do the little back of the spoon swirly method. All right, that's plenty of sauce. Now comes the key, all right? So this is how you get proper round the perimeter, super duper caramelized cheese crust, okay? So you take this, and we're gonna shingle it, right? That's why we went up the sides, right? So to create that, make sure like around the sides, non-stick here. Again, just double checking your work here. And now we can start doing that, like that, shingling it. So you see this? Look at this is what we're looking at, all right? It goes all the way up the side. That's gonna drip down and create like a secondary crust that is made of full caramelized cheese. All right, you take some around the perimeter, nice and even.
Okay.
This is about a pound of whole milk deli sliced mozzarella. I think that's the best rather than the pre-grated stuff, which has anti-caking agents in there. You maybe not get a great meltitude factor. Let's get to our 2 ingredients, which kind of come together to make it so delicious, so fun and festive. Some nice, good, thick cut bacon, right? Spread it around evenly, and then the controversial pineapple.
The Napoli.
Which I'm gonna put a little bit just because we're gonna try to meet in the middle, right? We'll be the Switzerland of our taste buds here since I'm not a huge pineapple fan. All right, so we got our pizza oven going. It's at about 500, 600 degrees. Okay. It's time to go in there. Now, you could definitely, most definitely do this in your oven. I totally recommend it. It comes out perfectly, but we're gonna keep it outside. Just make sure your oven, middle rack set, 500 degrees, let it preheat nice and hot. All right?
Could I
right in the
put
skillet.
it in, Dad?
You can help me, hold it.
Okay.
It's so high. All right, that's going in there, but this is gonna take about 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it. How do we know it's done? The top is golden brown and bubbly, and sometimes you need to take a little fish spatula and peek to see if that rim is golden brown. So let's give it a couple minutes and let's wait patiently. I smell the bubbling cheese in there. Do you smell the bacon too?
Yes, it smells very good.
Intoxicating. Let's pull it. It's been about 15, 20 minutes here, and oh my...
I don't want to touch
jeepers.
it. Wow.
Look at the perimeter, Lorenzo. All right, here we go.
There's...
That is, I'm gonna put this over here. That's a hot pan. I'm gonna keep the towel on it.
There you go,
Let's
Father.
take a look before, listen. Look at that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh.
What?
Jones, you getting that?
Come in. No.
Oh, no!
Ooh, that's
it's
hot.
going! How high are we going? Oh, high. That's that whole milk moots. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
right.
good. That's higher than me. Oh, it's so hot. All right, take your official pizza. It's gonna be hot. That is the risk we take. This is what we do for everybody out there, right? This is how
There's like oil inside it. It looks like rivers.
golden brown. All right, ready? Salute.
Doink.
Dude.
It's like putting ketchup on fries. It balances out the sweetness with the saltiness.
The pineapple, right?
Yes.
And that bacon is nice and crispy. And that beautiful crust is saturated in crispy cheese, a little bit of oil. It's so chewy, so crispy at the same time.